Hello, good afternoon or good morning, guys. In this today we're going to have a class is related on conditioners. So I hope it's basically like a review because I'm quite sure that all of you knows properly this topic, but it's also good to have a refresh of those knowledge. So the conditioners, we have the four types of conditioners used in English, but most of the time professors or even in the books you can find only three. But the first conditioners are quite important. We have zero conditioner, for conditioner, second conditioner, and third conditioner. So those conditioners are used to express or to talk situations that could happen or event that can happen. So we're going to start with the zero conditioner, and I want to explain the grammar structure that follows or that is employed in those conditioners, and also I'm going to give you an examples so that you can be the difference. How can you use it? So we're going to start with zero conditioner. The following structure that is used for this conditioner is present, just simple present, and future. So we use zero conditioner for express situations that are possible, situations that really exist or really are possible. For example, if you said, if I hit the ice, what will happen? If I hit or if you hit the ice, what is going to happen? The consequence it melts, right? If I hit the ice or if I hit a cube of ice, this cube is going to be melts, right? So this is something possible, something that really happened. It cannot exist any doubt that it cannot happen. It happened really true. So this is for zero conditioner. Is focused on situations or events that really happen. So you have this a good example of that. First, the first conditioner. Let me check it out for a moment to erase. So, first conditioner. In zero conditioner is something that is remembered. So zero conditioner is situations that are true, situations that are real. And for first conditioner, is situations that are possible, that can happen. So this following structure is simple present and future for the first conditioner. I repeat again, simple present and future is the structure. So we have an example here. If it rains, I want to try to use the same example so that you can appreciate clearly the differences. If it rains today, he will get out. So, present simple, rains. You can appreciate this simple present here, rains. If it rains today, and future, he will get out. So if it rains today, he will get out. So it's something possible. We don't know sure that if it's going to rain. If it rains, the guy or the person in this opportunity, he's will out. But if it doesn't rain, probably we don't know if he will out or if he can be stay in home. So it's possible. This is possible. So second condition. So I repeat again. The zero conditioner express truly conditions that really happen. And first conditional is for possible situations, possible events. So if it rains today, he will get out. Second conditional. Second conditional is followed by the next grammar. We have simple past and the preposition would plus the information. So we have simple past and the preposition would. You know what is would in Spanish? Is a condition. This word expresses a really conditional. So the second conditional, we use it for impossible or improbable situations. It's something that it can be impossible to happen, or it can happen, but depend on situation or events that probably are real or unreal. So it's probably doesn't happen. So we have this example. If it rains, you will get wet. So if it rained, you would get wet. In this sentence, it can be impossible to happen or improbable. Why? Because si ha llovido, si está llovido, tú te mojarías. Si ha llovido, tú te mojarías. O si llueve, te mojarías. But it does not properly right, because probably if it rained, you get wet, or you cannot get wet, because probably you are prepared for the rain and you have an umbrella or you have a rain postcard. Only you can get wet if you are walking in the street and you are not prepared for the rain, and the rain comes suddenly, surprisingly, so you can get wet. But it's not necessary that if it rained, you will get wet. So it's impossible situation that happened to you, or is improbable. In this case, I consider that it's improbable. So, but we follow a simple past. Be careful with that. Second conditional, simple past. You can notice here, simple past, and the preposition would. You can appreciate it here. Would get plus the information. Get would is added to the preposition, would get, and the rest of the information. With the third and last conditional, this is for unreal situations. Unreal, or it's like similar like a fantasy situations. We have the following structure is past perfect and perfect conditional. Perfect conditional. Using the conditional, you can be very careful with the conjugation of the verb. Remember that we have been, and you are in the 5th year or 4th year, so at this level of your education, you are quite prepared to identify the different kind of verb or different conjugation of the verbs in English. So let's check it out with an example. If it had rained, I would have the wet. So, past perfect pasado perfecto in Spanish, we have it here, and perfect conditional. Have the conditional of the word would plus the verb have. Sorry, I forgot a verb here. The garden wet. So, si ha llovido, yo me habría mojado. Literalmente dice conseguido mojarme. Si ha llovido, yo habría conseguido o yo habría conseguido mojarme. So, if it had rained, I would have the garden wet. So you can appreciate the past perfect and the perfect conditional. Would have gotten. So I'm going to load out this video or this video class in Edmodo so that you can review it. And also I'm going to, by Telegram, I'm going to give some a group of sentences in which you can identify all of those conditionals, or so that you can put in practice or you can be recognized it. Because the next following evaluation is going to put in practice all these conditionals. So I'm going to give you several words or several sentences so that you can identify or you can write using the different kind of conditionals. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for your time. Bye bye.